Welcome to the instructional video from Birth Pools. In this video, we show you how to pack up the Birth Pools birthing pool. Once the pool is clean and dry, it can be packed up. Open up all valves. Release the air from the inflatable seat and bottom using the air pump by placing the smaller attachment on the other outlet. Let the pump extract the air until all the air has been removed. This makes it easier to fold up. Then remove the remaining air from the inflatable rings using the wider attachment. It is important that the pool is put back into the bag undamaged. Fold the side of the seat 1/3 towards the inside. Then fold the other side inwards by 1/3 twice. Fold the other side over the top. Now take both ends and fold them towards the middle, and then fold them in half one more time. Then secure the package with the tension strap. We wish you the best of luck with the pool and the birth. If you have any questions, please check the information on our website or get in touch with us. We are here for you.